Hello, and this is AutoCAD basic video on how to get your drawing started. So when you open the AutoCAD program, um, you'll notice that there's all sorts of recent documents, open files, open templates. What we're going to do is we're just going to start a drawing. So that brings you to, it should bring you to this home screen here, which has all of these commands up here, which allow you to draw things. After you draw things, this is how you modify them. In AutoCAD drawings, you can annotate things by giving it dimensions, text, or callouts. The one thing about AutoCAD that makes it different from hand drafting is the layers. When we think of layers as almost clear sheets that we draw things on that could be turned on and off. And blocks, which we'll talk about in a later video. So first things first, when we open the drawing, we need to make sure it's set up in the correct units. So if we're doing something mechanical, we would use decimal units. If we're doing something like a civil engineering, those are different types of units. Architectural, different types of units. So what we'll do, well, we're going to do an architecture drawing. So we will type units and hit enter. And then this dialog box pops up. And from here, you can see we have architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. We are going to go architectural, and with this we could go down to what precision we need the drawings to be, or how accurate they need to be. For architectural, we really don't need to deal with anything under 1/16. The types of degrees, how those are used. We use feet, inches, we'll use inches, and that's pretty much it. Okay. So this is all set for architectural in terms of units. The next thing we need to worry about are the layers. So in AutoCAD, we'll click that layers property and we'll pull that down here. So the layers are the different levels on which you put your lines. So let me show you. So I could put level, let's say a floor. We'll give that. Actually, let's call that a wall. Wall. Let's go a fern, like we're going to put furniture in. We use 8 for that. And let's just do that for right now. So I could close this out. So if I draw a line, I could either click this icon or I could type L and then just hit enter. So I could draw lines. Okay. As you see, these show up white because up here it is layer 0. But we want these to be on the wall layer. So there's 2 ways to select things. We could go left to right, or we could go right to left. And there's a big difference. If I go left to right, if I go this way, left to right means everything that it fully enclosed in that square. So as you notice, there's only this one line here is going to be the only one that's fully enclosed. But if I do that same rectangle from right to left, it's anything it touches. So I selected those 3 lines, but didn't select this one. So let's select all of them, and then let's put these on the wall layer. And you can see it turns green, the color we need. So that's kind of the basic setup in terms of setting up units and setting up layers. For architecture and for most industry, there's a standard set of layer names. And whenever we start a project, we'll be sure to get those to you. So make sure when you start your drawings, this is what you do. Thank you. Bye.